Part 2. Ordinal numbers.
Exercise 1. Reading the ordinal numbers. Now read the following numbers after me. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, 40th, 50th, 60th, 70th, 80th, 90th, 100th, 1000th.
Exercise 2. Ordinal number dictation. Listen to the recording and write down the numbers you hear. Write the numbers in words. Number 1, fourth. Number 2, first. Number 3, fifth. Number 4, third. Number 5, ninth. Number 6, seventh. Number 7, 18th. Number 8, 40th. Number 9, 50th. Number 10, 90th. Number 11, 20th. Number 12, 32nd. Number 13, 44th. Number 14, 53rd. Number 15, 100th.
Exercise 3. Practice with ordinals. Some of the ordinal numbers are hard to understand in rapid speech. Certain ones are confused easily with others. This lesson is for practice with confusing pairs of ordinals. Listen to the suffix ending of each number. Listen carefully and circle the correct number.
Number 1. My office is on the 6th floor.
Number 2. The team from Shanghai won the first place in the tennis match.
Number 3. Jim was the 27th in the last marathon race.
Number 4. Mary's birthday is on the 25th of September.
Number 5. Our seats are in the 23rd row.
Number 6. The meeting will be on the 3rd of April.
Number 7. The theater is on the 15th Street.
Number 8. People celebrated the 45th anniversary of the school last year.
Number 9. Alaska was the 50th state in America.
Number 10. The final exam is on the 26th of June.